everyone. My name is Bastian, and a lot of you may know me as Honcho Mindset through Instagram or other platforms. So, today, guys, is a very special episode. Today starts the journey into liquidity. If you follow me from previous platforms or have been trading with me alongside me for a longer time for the past year, you guys may know that I am liquidity driven. I believe that liquidity is the core understanding of price action. Once you understand liquidity, everything else really comes together. And so today we're going to be introducing a playlist that is all about liquidity, different examples, and yeah, guys, I'm excited to show this to you guys. The playlist name is Liquidity is the Name of the Game. Okay, guys? So again, we're going to be going over what is liquidity. So a small introduction into liquidity, identifying liquidity, and I will show you guys how you can learn more about these things and become a more liquidity driven individual overall. Okay, so today, liquidity. Okay, liquidity is the measurement of how many market participants are given at a specific price level. All right, so liquidity is the measurement of how many market participants there are at that given price level or at that time. Okay, how many market participants there are and how much volume they're providing. All right. Stop losses, liquidity is known as stop losses, sell stops, buy stops, limits are all resting at these price levels, creating what we call these liquidity pools. Okay. Bearish liquidity pools are lows that typically have trailed sell stops or stop losses under for traders in long positions or sell stops for traders wanting to short the breakout. And vice versa. Bullish liquidity pools are highs that typically have trailed buy stops or stop losses above for traders in short positions. Okay, so anybody that's selling, their stop losses are resting right above the highs, or traders that are setting buy stops above the highs for those traders who want price to long on the breakout or continue to buy on the breakout. Okay, these are my personal beliefs, guys. These are my personal beliefs that I've acquired from my experience, and I can honestly tell you that for me, there's no specific timing as to when liquidity will be swept or ran through. Okay, we identify these areas, we find windows in which probabilities are higher and in our advantage, but there's no way to specifically determine when a certain high or low will be taken. Okay, so with that, guys, I'm going to turn it over to the charts and show you guys a couple examples. Okay, as you guys can see here, liquidity, guys, is resting for me. I follow higher time frames, and liquidity is resting for me above highs and lows. Okay, specifically from the daily time frame and higher. The bigger the time frame, the bigger the liquidity pool that was built up. Okay, the reason that I follow these higher time frames is because, as you guys can see, before we have a really strong move up, we take out all these previous lows and then move price action up. Then we come back, take out all these lows, and then take price action up. I want you guys to understand that my belief of the market is that it is liquidity engineered. If you cannot understand liquidity, if you do not identify liquidity, you are more than likely a part of it. If you want to continue to get stopped out, then continue to go on without identifying liquidity, and I would say stop here. If you would like to continue to increase your knowledge of liquidity, to see how we apply these things, continue to follow this playlist. I will upload many, many videos on this playlist, all with examples and resources on where to acquire more knowledge for liquidity. Now, a lot of you may not know this, but we have a community, a trading community, a private mentorship where we walk you down setups, current setups, and trade live with you. Now, we will mark out charts for you. We will show you our trading ideas. Again, these are all hypothetical, right? We will share our trading ideas, and you will determine whether that's something that follows your plan or doesn't. Now, I want you guys to go ahead and go over to the link in the description of this video, and you're going to see my link tree. There's two ways to go about this. You can either get access to our mentorship now through the link. You guys will see it on the second tab, okay? Or you can go all the way to the bottom and find out more by going to the Telegram icon, okay? Going to the Telegram icon and clicking there to reach out to me directly. So that's the icon will actually hyperlink you to reach out to me directly. So I'll show you guys what that all looks like now. Okay, this is the link tree. Once you pop it open, okay, this second tab, get access to live trading sessions, our exclusive group chats and recordings, is all accessible for you guys. Again, if you have any more questions, go ahead and click this icon here and it will take you directly to my DMs, so you can definitely reach out to me if you have any further questions. With that, guys, I will see you guys on the next recording. Have an amazing rest of your day. Trade responsibly and clap easy. Peace.